Hello and welcome back. Yesterday, I posted on my Instagram this image that I'm sharing here with you. And many of you have asked, in the short tutorial, I explained how to shoot that. Now a little bit more in detail. What do you need to get this back illumination of your upper front teeth? Well, it's very easy. What you need is a flash. Personally, I'm using the Godox MF12. You need a black background. You combine the two things, and the trick is that the flash is bouncing. So you hold the black contraster in the mouth. The flash comes from below, and the light goes around. I can show you how it works. I put it in the mouth. The light is bouncing from the palate back to the teeth. Important is that you don't cover the whole flash with the black background, that you leave some space for the light to go through. The only thing you need is then to hold your camera, to have this and shoot from the front. Additionally, you can also use cheek retractors to get more exposure of your teeth. So basically, to shoot this image, it's easy thing. And black contrasters, these are expensive ones, but you can also buy like black, for a cooking help, that you can even with a handle to create your black contrast. So this is it for today, how to shoot this artistic images with this easy one flash setup. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, because here it's all about ask, watch, master. See you soon back again on Dental TV. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm here new on YouTube, so I have to remind you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay? See you soon.